BTR Thames 10310, part 1, take 1.
Hi YouTubers, I'm down the motorhome today. It's a lovely sunny day. A few vans out now. This is a storage facility, and there's no sound deadening material in the engine compartment on this motorhome of mine. And I've bought some of these sheets, and I looked through, I think it's 180 degrees C temperature range, and what I'm trying to do is to put some in the bonnet area, like here. Cut it, but it's not the easiest material to cut. I'm going to put one in there, and then these side panels, and hopefully it will reduce a little bit of the noise. And if it does work okay, I might consider installing some in the bulkhead area. And it sticks really well, but it sticks all over your hands and everything. But we'll see if we can do a better job on the second piece. Well, that's 3 pieces in. There, there, there. I've still got to paint this edge and stuff, and I've got to put a piece in there, and a piece in there, and that piece in there. And yeah, it's alright. It's alright. I've slipped up there. I'll put a bit of silver tape on that. And hopefully it will reduce the noise from the engine. Okay, that's the bonnet insulation in, and apart from this corner, which I'm going to stick a bit of silver foil there, and we're looking round the back and under there towards the bulkhead. Might be able to fit some bits in there. Might be able to. Yeah, the engine looks a bit cleaner since I've given it a going over. Yeah, a lot cleaner. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.